Greetings, job seekers and career enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Recruiter Talk. Today, we're diving into a topic that can set you apart from the competition: the power of originality, 5 ways to elevate your cover letter. Your cover letter is a golden opportunity to showcase your personality, skills, and passion in a way that captures the attention of recruiters. In this video, we'll explore creative strategies to make your cover letter stand out and leave a lasting impression on employers. So, let's unlock the power of originality together. Before we dive into the tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our career-focused content. Alright, let's get started. First things first, we'll discuss the importance of tailoring your cover letter to each job application. One size does not fit all. We'll reveal the key elements to customize for every employer to demonstrate your genuine interest and alignment with their specific requirements. Tailoring your cover letter to each job application is of utmost importance, as one size does not fit all. A personalized cover letter is a powerful tool that can significantly increase your chances of landing the job you desire. When crafting your cover letter, it's crucial to research the company thoroughly to understand its values, mission, and unique requirements for the position you're applying for. By doing so, you can demonstrate your genuine interest in the company and your alignment with their specific needs. Begin by addressing the hiring manager by name and refer to the job title and the company's name in the opening paragraph to show that your application is not generic. In the body of the letter, highlight your relevant skills and experiences that directly match the job description and emphasize how your contributions will benefit the company. Additionally, include specific examples of your accomplishments and how they align with the company's goals. By customizing each cover letter, you showcase your dedication and effort, which can set you apart from other applicants and make a positive impression on potential employers. Your cover letter's opening sets the tone for the entire document. We'll explore creative and attention-grabbing ways to start your letter, from engaging anecdotes to intriguing facts about the company or industry. The opening of your cover letter holds immense significance as it sets the tone for the entire document. Employers often receive numerous applications, and a captivating introduction can make yours stand out. There are various creative and attention-grabbing ways to start your letter, and we'll explore some of them here. Engaging anecdotes related to your professional journey can be an excellent way to pique the reader's interest and create a personal connection. Sharing a relevant and intriguing story about your experiences can make you memorable and showcase your passion for the role. Alternatively, starting with an intriguing fact about the company or the industry it operates in demonstrates your research and genuine interest in the organization. This approach immediately establishes that you are not sending a generic application but have taken the time to understand the company's background and goals. Crafting an opening that combines creativity and relevance will entice the reader to continue reading, giving you a better chance to showcase your qualifications and suitability for the position. Next, we'll focus on showcasing your unique skills and experiences in a compelling manner. Discover how to highlight your accomplishments and relate them directly to the job you're applying for, making your cover letter a true reflection of your capabilities. Let's turn our attention to showcasing your unique skills and experiences in a compelling manner within your cover letter. It's essential to highlight your accomplishments effectively and demonstrate how they directly relate to the job you're applying for. Your cover letter should serve as a true reflection of your capabilities and what you can bring to the table. Begin by carefully reviewing the job description and identifying the key skills and qualifications the employer is seeking. Then, tailor your cover letter to emphasize how your past experiences have equipped you with these sought-after abilities. Use specific examples to showcase your achievements and quantify your impact wherever possible. This will not only grab the reader's attention but also demonstrate your potential value to the company. It's important to draw connections between your accomplishments and the specific challenges or goals of the position you're applying for. By doing so, you'll effectively position yourself as the ideal candidate with a track record of success and a deep understanding of how your skills align with the needs of the role. This approach will make your cover letter compelling, convincing, and increase your chances of landing an interview. Storytelling is a powerful tool in a cover letter. We'll delve into the art of telling a story that demonstrates your passion for the role and your journey that led you to pursue this opportunity. Storytelling is an incredibly powerful tool that can elevate your cover letter to new heights. By masterfully crafting a compelling narrative, you can leave a lasting impression on the reader. We'll delve into the art of telling a story that not only showcases your skills but also reveals your genuine passion for the role. Start by reflecting on your journey, the experiences, and the pivotal moments that inspired you to pursue this particular opportunity. Share anecdotes that illustrate your dedication to your career path and the lessons you've learned along the way. Describe how your passion for the industry and the company's mission drives you to excel in the role you're applying for. A well-crafted story will help humanize your application, making you more relatable to the hiring manager. It can evoke emotions, connect you with the reader on a personal level, and emphasize your enthusiasm for the position. Remember to keep the story relevant to the job and focus on the key skills and qualities that align with the employer's needs. By weaving a captivating tale, you'll make your cover letter memorable, and it will stand out among the sea of generic applications. Adding a personal touch to your cover letter can make a lasting impression. We'll share tips on researching the hiring manager's name, including personal anecdotes, and even infusing a touch of humor when appropriate. Adding a personal touch to your cover letter can truly set you apart and leave a lasting impression on the reader. One effective way to do this is by researching the hiring manager's name and addressing them directly in the salutation. Addressing someone by their name shows that you've taken the time to personalize your application and demonstrates your attention to detail. Additionally, consider incorporating personal anecdotes that highlight your passion for the industry or your journey to this point in your career. These anecdotes can create a connection with the reader, making your cover letter more engaging and relatable. Furthermore, when appropriate, infusing a touch of humor can inject some personality into your application and make it memorable. A well-placed, light-hearted remark can demonstrate your ability to bring a positive and personable attitude to the workplace. However, remember to strike a balance and ensure that the humor aligns with the professional tone of the cover letter and the company's culture. By adding a personal touch, you show that you genuinely care about the application process and are eager to make a meaningful connection with the employer. And there you have it, the power of originality, 5 ways to elevate your cover letter. I hope these creative strategies inspire you to craft a standout cover letter that lands you the job you desire. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and fellow job seekers. Don't forget to subscribe to the Recruiter Talk for more career-focused content. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, embracing originality in your cover letter can make all the difference in your job search success. Happy writing!